This bag feels really good. I mean, and because it was my birthday, they gave me another gift.
Emotions like a pair of puppet strings.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Michelin and this is Haute Millennial, where I create fashion content and lifestyle vlogs. If you're all about fashion and women empowerment and lifestyle vlogs, please girl, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also, do not forget to turn your notification bell on for any updates. I upload Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. And today's video is fun, it's quick, it's all about my new handbag. It's a gift for my birthday and I'm excited to show you guys. We are doing the Tory Burch unboxing, precisely the Eleanor bag. I'm excited. I've been eyeing this bag, two of them actually, for a minute, and I was going back and forth which one I should go for, and my sister helped me. She said that one is classier. So it's time to show you guys. If this sounds like something you'll be happy to watch, stick around and let's get right into the video. This is my very first Tory Burch purchase. I don't know how they package it when you buy it online, but my SS said that it actually looks prettier when you buy it at the store than when you buy it online. And honestly, the packaging means a lot to me. It might be shallow, but I'm okay with it. So when she told me that, I was like, okay, I'm going to come back and buy it inside the store. She was super nice as well, so I figured why not. So this is the bag. You have the Tory Burch sign right here. My bag is the mini one, so it's not super heavy. The bag is light. So you have this, all this, la la la. And then you have this other bag inside. I love this. Like I said, this is my very first Tory Burch purchase. I didn't know they double the bags. Why? I don't know, but I like it because it gives me maximum security for my bag, and to me it's more quality. Details are always important, you know. I mean, even if this is not like a super high-end brand, it's still luxury, and the treatment should also be luxurious. Okay, I like how they made the unboxing hard because of all the details. You have to open the bag like what, and then wow, I have this inside as well. Okay, isn't it cute and cool? Then we have her. Ta-da! How neat. I love it. I think this is really neat. The string has Tory Burch written all over it, which is only normal. I'm actually surprised that you don't see the Tory Burch logo here, whereas it's all over on the purple bag. Bizarre, but that's just how they did it. And then we have this right here. First of all, can I say that I really appreciate the fact that this bag has its own dust bag, because I think my Jacquemus bag didn't have the dust bag, which I thought was weird, but this one has, and I appreciate that. So as we open, we have her. Oh my gosh, you guys, how perfect. I mean, isn't this bag just gorgeous? The bag is really easy to open, and this is what it looks like inside. Just in case you guys didn't know, this is a great dupe to the Celine Triomphe bag. If you are on a budget or you want to save your money, it would be really nice to go with brands like Tory Burch, because they are actually underrated, to be honest. The quality is there. When I tell you that this bag feels really good, I mean impeccable. I'm even surprised that this is my first purchase. It's great, the quality is beautiful. I went with the triangle one because it's classier for my taste. The buckle is not really big. The square one is not really my style. Like, it takes the whole bag, and to me it's just too much. It's really fun, don't get me wrong, but because I'm trying to build my luxury collection, I want to be smart with my expenses, with my purchases. I don't want to buy just for the sake of it or just for fun. I want to buy a bag that will be more functional, which is why it's very important for you to be smart when you do buy something. This one I can carry to dinner, brunch, or anything with my girls or myself. Really, it's something I can have multiple use out of, whereas if you focus for the fun one, you will be more limited, and we don't want that. I'm not trying to throw my money into things that I want just because I want them, you know. I'm trying to be smart with my money. That's just the journey I'm on right now. And the good thing about it, this right here is long enough for you to carry it like that, or to do it as I had it when I opened it, when I unboxed it. It's perfect. It's perfect. It comes in different color. I went with black because it's classy and because I can use it differently and with different outfits. It's made of leather. I'm not sure what kind of leather it's made out of, but all I know is it feels really, really good. The quality is great. I like the fact that it has this dust bag once again, because if you don't have a big closet, you can easily store it. Even though it's black, it's still leather, which sometimes can be hard to take care of as far as scratches. If you're rubbing it against something, it might scratch, whether it's your nails or your jewelry. You should always be careful. That's where the dust bag comes in. Perfect, perfect. I think the bag retail for $598. Not quite sure, but I will link it in the description box. But for the price, it's really good. For the price, it's great. And because it was my birthday, they gave me another gift. Let's unbox it. I almost forgot. Let's go back to this bag right here. I thought it was really neat that they put the receipt inside. Can you see right here? Everything has Tory logo on it. So neat. Talking about life made easy. Why? Because if by any chance you need to return, exchange, or you need your receipt, you know where to find it. Or if you want to get rid of this bag, all you have to do, whip this off and put it back somewhere where you store your receipt, because you always need it. I mean, of course, we always have emails, but we never know. Just in case, if you are someone who likes papers, this would be great for you. So I thought that was neat. I just forgot to mention it. As far as gift, they gave me this right here. So they gave me a Tory Burch notebook. Yes, Tory Burch written right there on the side. This is almost like a little notepad actually, which is cool. Sometimes you want to write something, you have an idea or to-do list, I don't know, whatever you might need to do. It'd be great. I thought that was neat. And you have all the Tory Burch logo written all over it. They also gave me a sample for one of the perfumes sample, the Mystic Geranium Tory Burch, or the parfum spray, which I tried. It smells really, really good. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, another receipt. Okay, so I have 2 receipts just in case. I like how they put it in a little envelope. And I have this, I just feel a bottle of some Prosecco. That's cool. I guess you know a girl loves wine. Well guys, that was it for my Tory Burch Mini Eleanor unboxing video. I hope you had fun watching it, and if you did, please give the video a thumbs up, comment, and remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I appreciate you. Stay safe and I'll see you next time.